Alright guys, we're live. We are live. What's up everyone? I hope everyone's having a great day. And I hope we are all here together to win a trade here today. And we're doing a live withdrawal, so shout out to everybody who's in here. Appreciate all the support, guys. You guys are the absolute goats. Let's continue doing what we do best, which is catching absolute banger freaking trades, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. I know that for a fact. So we just gotta make sure that we continue to do what we do. All right. I got my new. I don't know if you guys noticed. Look at that. Oh, other side. Look at this. Sheesh, that shit looking clean back there, if you ask me. Shout out to FundedHero. You guys can use code $. But let's get into it, guys. Let's do our analysis. My Streamlabs was acting up today, so we have about 47 seconds here to do our analysis. Markets on US 30 are already bleeding, unfortunately. So let's take a look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ, we have this level here of support. So that's something we can definitely look into. Let me make sure something over here, guys, real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go here. Let's go here. We got Emmett here. Emmett's live. Shout out to Emmett. Okay, he's live. Okay, beautiful. Alright, so let's go ahead here and talk about what we're gonna get our hands into. What should we get our hands into, chat? We're gonna get our hands into, I think it's gonna be a NASDAQ type of day. Can you guys put a one in the chat if you guys are taking NASDAQ or not? NASDAQ or not? What are you guys thinking? NASDAQ or not? Markets are officially open here though, chat. We have this low here that we could potentially sell at right over here if price wants to bleed. Honestly, I want to take buys above this area here just because this area here was just created. I'm waiting for a potential sell position to come down here is the key. Okay, so that's what I'll be willing to do here. Give me a second here. Give me 1 second here. Hey, Dr. Dollar, we met at Backstage Billiards in Orlando. I'm trying to withdraw, but they are denying based on lot size. Consistency. Trade locker messed up. Hey, well, not support, bro, but you can talk to support about that. The rules are sent to you multiple times. So if you broke a rule, there's absolutely nothing I can do. You are fully responsible for what happens on your account. But I'm sure we can definitely come to an agreement in support chat. So just make sure that you are making a support ticket. All right. That is the best thing that we can do. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead here and let's see what's up here. But yeah, so let's see if we can get a push to the upside, down, maybe then a push here to maybe come up and tap into London highs. I do really like that trade. So let's see if we can do it. Do the thing here. Do the thing here. Do the thing here. Oh wow, Emmett's gonna get in right now. Emmett's getting in at the break of these highs here. For me personally, not for me. Not for me, chat. Might win though, not gonna lie. Might win. Dow Jones looks nice. If we can come up here, maybe break this high here. I do see that happening maybe. I'm gonna delete all these zones because I have way too many zones here. So what I see here on Dow is pretty much we have this area here of resistance slash support. We have this level here as resistance slash support here. Could we get a potential push coming from this area? Yes, but we gotta wait and see what the market wants to do. I like this buy zone though. Buy zone above here. NAS 100. NAS 100 looks like it wants to break to the downside here, guys. So get your charts ready. 50-point stop. 50-point stop here, guys. Get my thing ready. We're going to be doing a live withdrawal here today, guys. So make sure you guys stay to the end of stream. We're also going to be doing giveaways after that. So if you guys are not a part of this, well, that's up to you guys. Make sure you guys are leaving a like on the stream. This is what we're looking like here. We're looking like we're going to take this fucking trade here on NDX here. All right, let's go ahead and execute here. We're in. Okay, 50-point stops. Entry is right here. And we're going for about 50 points, guys. So let's see if we can get a nice banger of a trade here. We could probably get a nice banger here if we get a push. We just can't reject this level here. We just cannot reject this level here. US 30 does look nice for potential sells. Maybe underneath this level here. So I might take both, to be honest, but we'll see. Oh, I might have to get out here, guys. Might have to get out here, unfortunately. So get ready to get out here. Probably give that trade a second chance. US 30 though, US 30 looking like we want to bleed here, but we haven't gotten any confirmations underneath this level. So we're waiting. We're waiting for confirmations underneath this low here. US NAS 100, we're still in it. Still in it, but it's not looking very safe here. Not looking very safe, guys. Just because we are back in the range. I might have to get out here, guys. Might have to get out, yep. Getting out. That's okay. We'll see if we can get another try here, guys. We'll see if we can get another try here. Unfortunately, it did take a losing trade on that one. That's completely fine. But we'll see what happens. We will see what happens, guys. Because we could take a re-entry here for US 30 sells. Unfortunately, it was a fat fake out. Unfortunately, that was a fat fake out. It happens though, guys. We're still gonna take our withdrawal for the day. We just gotta wait, but I'm looking for another setup here, so we'll see what we can get our hands in. We will see what we can get our hands on today. NAS 100 maybe buys above here. Buys above this area here. Target this range. But if I get faked out twice, bro, I'm gonna be so pissed. But it's okay, it happens, you know. But it looks nice above these highs here. Early in the morning. We just gotta be patient and wait. We gotta set some alerts here. Set it a little bit earlier just so we can get notified. NAS 100s looking here like if we break this level, we could potentially pop to this area here, which is what I'm looking for. We do have a smaller time frame range here on the 5-minute time frame, if you guys notice this, to potentially push up into here. Okay, that's the idea behind the trade. And then this trade can actually run if we start to break this high here. It could definitely run to the upside. So we'll see what we can get, what we can do, guys. US 30 looks like it wants to come down here. Get ready for US 30 here, guys. Get ready for US 30 here. Underneath this level, guys, okay? Nothing before, nothing after. Nothing before and nothing after, guys. Gotta set an alert here for NASDAQ too, just so we are all on the same page here. Honestly, just can't wait for my withdrawal, bro. Yep. Yes, sir. Okay, this is in my way. US 30. NAS 100, US 30, NAS 100, US 30, NAS 100, US 30, NAS 100, US 30. Let's see. Oh, well, what's up, guys? How's everyone doing? No, we're not late. You are not late, brother. We're trying to see what's up. How you guys? Have you guys taken any trades yet? Put a 1 in the chat if you guys have taken any trades. 1's in the chat if you guys have taken any trades. US 30 is coming down here. I think once we break that previous low, we should get a nice push. Should get a nice push. NASDAQ, is it going to give me a re-entry? Is that what it wants to do? I'd rather take US 30 at that point. Shit struggling to pick direction, yo, fact. GJ buys. Dr. Currency, what's good with you, brother? Alright, let's see. Took NAS, fib whenever it went up. Nice. You should be in profit at this point. Alright, get ready. Get ready for US 30 here, guys. We're still in this little range, but do feel like we're going to break out to the downside here. W's in the chat, yes, sir. W's in the chat, W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Damn, Nas is gonna do it again, bro. Let's see. Bro, sometimes look at gold chart, please. Gold is in the range. I wouldn't touch gold. I wouldn't touch gold. But we'll see if Michael, if you guys are my free Telegram, exclamation point free in the chat, guys, you guys will be able to see if Michael calls a trade on gold. He's an absolute beast of a trader. Does his thing. Exclamation point free, guys. Exclamation point free. Will we get a push? I believe we can get a push if we start to come down here. Break this low. We should get a nice volume kicking in at that point. But until then, we're just sitting on our hands here, unfortunately. And we're just vibing it out, guys. That's all we can do. Wow, there's no clean. I got 2 fake outs today already. Oh, that sucks. It happens. Where'd you take them? I think US 30 is going to give us the entry, though. The problem is that these candlesticks are freaking massive, bro. But I do believe that once we break this low, we should get a nice impulsive move to the downside. Let's see. We're coming down here. All right, coming down here. If we start to break, all right, let's get in that. Let's get in that. Waiting a little bit, but you guys can get in half of my position here. I will take it again, though, guys. I do wanna be in a full position here. But we got a little bit of reaction right there that I didn't like. So I didn't go in full here. But we will be in full once we break that low. Okay, guys? Once we break that low. Alright, we're officially in full here, guys. Officially in full. Alright, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Don't tell me to put me in full just to fuck me, bro. That would be the worst case scenario here. All right, we're getting a push here. We got to stay below that level. TP2 will be down here. We're just waiting, guys. We're just waiting. Waiting to see what the market wants to do with this position here. That's all we can do. All right. Can we get a push here? Do we want to stay below the level? It's what we need to find out here. That is all we need to find out, guys. Do we want to stay below the level, or do we want to... What do we want to do here is the question. It's a big question. Big question here to ask. A lot of money on the line here. A lot of money on the line. A lot of money on the line on this one, guys. All right. Still haven't broken those previous lows. I think once we got to really start breaking below this area right here. Start trading below that area. Should be good to go to TPs here. All right. Pushing, pushing. Oh, oof, 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 oof. Beauty, beauty, beauty. See if we can get a nice push here. Come on. Okay, beautiful. Come on. Can we get a push? Can we keep pushing? Let's look left. Reaching that area there. All right. Looking good here. TP smash. Go ahead and close some partials if you guys want. Now we're seeing if we can get a push past that level. Would be ideal. Push past that level. Make sure you guys have your stops to break even here. Make sure you got your stops to break even. Ooh, rejection. Rejection here. Okay, we're out of break even. I hope you guys secured some profits there. But yeah, guys, it's the type of day here today. Type of day. Win one, lose one, move on, you know. Markets don't really want to do anything here today. Full buy now. I don't know if I'm interested in full buys right now. You know what I'm saying? Kind of choppy now. Yeah, it is. It was a very choppy day. I'm actually glad we were able to secure something down there. Something down under here, right? But I mean, if the market's gonna be like this, right, might as well just vibe it out for today. Miss the days you used to play online casino. I know, but I can get banned for that nowadays, so it's kind of cooked. It's kind of cooked. Let's go back to those times. Yeah, no, it'll ban my stream actually, so not good. Not good. Oh, my son's school is calling me. Hello? Hey, good morning. Oh my god. Yeah, I did forget the towel. I had it on my kitchen counter and everything. Okay, no worries. I can drop it off shortly. Yeah, just give me some time and I can drop it off shortly. Yeah, just okay. Okay, perfect. Sounds good. Bye-bye. Bro, I forgot my freaking son's towel, bro. He has splash day today at his school, and I forgot his freaking towel, guys. Terrible dad. I'm a terrible dad, guys. So what happens. I think if we can flip here, you guys can get a re-entry for those of you guys who didn't catch the trade. Flip, then go for that candle wick. I think it could definitely play out, guys. Let's see. See if it gives it to you. Candle flip. Then we should get an impulsive move to the downside. W Matt. A small move on gold is a lot of point lately. Yeah, definitely. Gold has been a little bit difficult to trade. But bro, Michael in the chat is going crazy. If you guys are not in that chat, make sure you guys are. I'm interested to see what US30 wants to do though. I'm interested to see what US30 wants to do. Remember the time you and Parsha did the giveaway for like $100? I won it, put it on a roulette, and won 3,500. No way. That's insane. That is insane, guys. We respected the 8 SMA here. Potentially, we retested this level here as resistance, which was the beautiful confirmation, but this was way earlier. Price then came down, came up, retested that structure, and then pushed to the downside. So maybe we're looking for some sort of roof to the market to then continue the push to the downside. You know? It's most likely what's happening here. US30 looking good here. I think if we can stay below this zone here, just a lot of choppiness down over here. I think that's what will really held the market back. A lot of choppiness at that area. Early in the morning. US30 wants to go to 52,000. Does US30 want to go to 52,000? Yeah, I could definitely possibly want to go there, but you would need a lot of breakup structures before you get there. So breaking this structure, then finally breaking this structure, then tapping into the highs here. Could definitely happen, but I think it's a little bit premature saying that right now. It's definitely W's in the chat, yes sir. I think it's gonna go bullish. Yeah, it could go bullish if we stay above the zone here, but it seems to me that we keep projecting this whole area here and staying below that 8 SMA. So as long as that we're below the 8 SMA, you guys should be thinking sells, right? It's what happens most of the time. It's what happens most of the time. See, now we're like back in this range here, so this is the range that we could either get a breakout or a fake out from. So, but as long as we're in the range, no clear direction of where it's gonna go. Does everybody understand that? Put a 1 in the chat if you guys understand that. 1's in the chat. ones in the chat if you guys understand that. I'm actually glad I've been very consistent with the streams though. Like although they've been a little bit shorter, it does take up some of my day, but I enjoy it. I enjoy being with you guys at least for an hour a day, you know? Getting to talk to you guys, seeing what's up with y'all. If you're looking at the 1 minute, you see we got this range here now. So most likely when we break out of this trend line, it's probably gonna push. But we're creating steady lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So if we respect this lower low right now and break this lower high, I would be thinking then it's gonna probably switch to bullish. But until that happens, really, it's 50% here. Just 50%. Yeah, just chilling and trading. Nice. We appreciate you showing up every day. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. I appreciate you appreciating me, man. I appreciate you appreciating me. Markets are just vibing here, though, bro. No true direction. Okay, you see now it's coming up, breaking out of that smaller time frame trend line, but it's still at the 1 minute level. So gotta look. Remember to zoom out, guys. Don't get your hopes up. Always remember to zoom out, and yeah. I normally don't trade Fridays. Like I think I started trading Fridays when I came back on stream, but I've been liking Fridays recently, bro. They haven't been a bad day, to be honest. Baby Pips was a lifesaver. Have you guys ever taken Baby Pips, chat? We barcoding at the moment. I know. Scan it. Scan it and see if it says sell or buy. What could it be? News, maybe? Waiting on some news, maybe? Are we waiting on some news? Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do the live withdrawal for you guys, just so you guys can see what's up. So let me go over here, which account I want to withdraw from. We'll do this account. This account we'll do to my e-wallet. We'll do, what should we withdraw, guys? 5K? I really only need 5K for my trading, bro. Like 5K a week is enough for me to have fun with my trading, you know? So we'll do 5K. Okay. Yeah, we'll do that. So it should show up right here now. Withdraw. Withdraw stablecoins. What do I want? ETH. I'm pretty sure my wallet is saved. Address book. Yeah, this $1 wallet. Withdraw amount. I want $5,000, please. And we're gonna request a withdrawal. Alright, got a code here. Give me a second, guys. Send code. Give me a second here, guys. Gmail. Alright, got my code right here. Send the code. Oh, fuck, I already fucking sent the code. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. request. I gotta wait for another freaking code now, I guess. I knew it was gonna freaking do that. Complete withdrawal request. All right, so my withdrawal request has been submitted. So now we just wait and see how long it's gonna freaking take. Okay. So I'll keep you guys posted. Let me open up here my Coinbase actually. I'm gonna open up my Coinbase and see how long it's gonna take. You guys can kind of see how long it takes to get approved. If you guys are trading with FHX, make sure you guys are using the link in the description down below. Okay, so let's go ahead here. Let's go. Give me a second, guys. Just going ahead and logging in. I don't want you guys to see my credentials here. I'm gonna need an authenticator code. Okay. Okay. Boom. Make sure it's all set here. I haven't even gotten an email though. I'll let you guys know as soon as I get that. Okay, yeah, I just got the email. Beautiful. So we got the email, as you guys can see, which is beautiful. So now we wait for the next email, which is, hey, you got your freaking money in the bank. So let's see here. Approve. Where am I gonna get my approved email, bro? What do you guys think? You think we're gonna wait here on stream too long for it? That would be pretty bad. Okay, let's see. Alright, I think it should show up here, guys. So we're gonna leave that open there. Maybe hit a refresh. Okay, so I've gotten the withdrawal request email, but still not a withdrawal approval email. But we'll see. We'll see if we can get it within the hour. That would be beautiful. Where's my money? I want my money. I want mi dinero. What's going on here? Can I get my money, please? All right. All right, we'll just leave this open here. So, yeah, you see, once we start to break out of that market structure here, guys, we start to get that push to the upside, right? Push to the upside, then start ranging, and then the next push. So, predictions were correct here. Oh, look, it's right there, guys. Sheesh. Let's freaking go. Withdrawal approved, guys. Withdrawal approved. How long was that, chat? How long was that? How long was that? How long was that, guys? Look, and I also love the emails that they sent me. Look. Watch. I'll show you. Let me take a look here. Look, it's like payout sent, money it's on its way with little money back. Keep stacking those wins. Thanks for trading with FHX markets. All right, beautiful. But yeah, guys, so live withdrawal, done deal. All right, I'll see you guys next stream. That'll be it for me for today, guys. I appreciate all the support that you guys show me, though. See you guys next week. Same time, same place. Monday, I have a video coming out for you guys. I'm trying to get that done for you guys today, and then hopefully you guys can get it. No, I'm not the owner of FHX, bro. I'm not the owner of FHX, guys. It's a partnered broker. I am not the owner of FHX. I'm the owner of FundedHero, but not FHX. All right. Love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your day, and we will be in contact. All right, guys. Appreciate all the support. Peace.